Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the actuator lever in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife and a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new actuator lever. The actuator lever is located inside the dispenser. The lever assists in opening the ice door and actuating the ice dispenser switch when the pad is pressed. If the ice door assembly won't open when the pad is pressed, the actuator lever should be checked and replaced if needed. I'm going to remove the drip and drain trays. First, slide it out, and I'm going to lift the back up a little bit and continue sliding out. Now we need to open the door and remove this door handle. It's maybe not a necessary act for 100%, but I would recommend you to do that. You will see why. We're going to use a Torx 10 screwdriver to unscrew those two set screws. And now we can remove the handle. Okay, now we can close the door. Next, we're facing a little touchy task. We need to remove this dispenser assembly. It has a bunch of clips on around the frame, and it's kind of a weird design, and you probably will break one or two of those tabs, but that's okay because it's still going to hold. Try not to break 50% of them off. We're going to use a putty knife and place it here in the corner. We're going to start from the bottom, obviously, and pry it off. And then the sides, that's why we took off the handle, because we need this little lever here. And then the opposite side. Now we can pull out the dispenser assembly. Keep in mind we need to be very slow and gentle. There's a lot of wiring goes back. And we're going to put it down. Again, slow. I'm going to support it. And then I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to remove this single screw here. Single Phillips screw. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to lift off the actuator lever. This is the old actuator lever next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The new lever goes on. We're going to place it on this hinge here. And I'm going to secure it with that single Phillips screw. And use a Phillips screwdriver. Don't over tighten it. Remember, it goes into the plastic. Then I'm gonna reach under and press the pad. It works. Now we're gonna install the dispenser into the door. Align it with the opening, and I'm going to press in. Alright, now I'm going to open the door so we can put the handle on. I'm going to match these holes with 2 pins. Then I'm going to use a Torx 15 screwdriver and I'm going to tighten the set screws. Push it in. So we're going to tighten that top set screw first. And it's same Torx 10 screwdriver. And then I'm going to tighten this one at the bottom. Alright, now I'm going to close the door. I'm going to install the trays back on. We need to slide these two grooves onto these two rails. Okay, now it's on. Push it back in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.